European farmers are embracing traditional Taiwanese methods to cultivate the finest glutinous rice for our modern factory.
Look how the breeze moves them. This is the mature grain we use for the traditional Taiwanese method.
As you can see on the screen, the milling process is optimized for the mochi texture.
Remarkable consistency.
See how smoothly the kernels flow. This uniformity ensures the ideal texture for the mochi.
Here in the modern facility, the harvested red beans are carefully prepared for the traditional mochi craftsmanship.
The quality of the adzuki bean is paramount. We meticulously inspect each batch to ensure the perfect texture for our mochi.
From the shaded fields, the finest leaves are brought to our modern facility to create the perfect Taiwanese mochi.
The key to authentic mochi lies in the precise sorting and measurement of these raw ingredients.
As you can see through the window, the process is highly automated but still retains the traditional techniques.
It's fascinating how they blend the old with the new.
The technician ensures the red bean paste meets the high
The pressure seems optimal on this batch.
Yes, they are perfectly clean for the next stage. It's perfectly tender now. We can start the mashing process for the mochi. The key to the perfect mochi is achieving this exact velvety consistency in the taro paste.
The azuki beans are slowly mashed and sweetened, creating the perfect consistency for our traditional mochi.
The texture looks perfect on this batch.
Yes, the adjustments to the steam levels are working well. We can maintain this pace.
Final check on the steamer pressure. Everything aligned?
Yes, confirmed. Initiating production sequence now.
The key to authentic Taiwanese mochi craftsmanship lies in the rapid freezing process, ensuring that perfect, realistic texture.
Here, our team meticulously oversees the delicate process, ensuring that every handcrafted mochi meets the highest standards before it is packaged.
Bay 3 is clear, confirming the mochi shipment is en route to the distribution center.
Check the seals on the bottom crates, please.
Already done. They're secure.
This pink one looks delicious. What flavor is it?
That is our sakura mochi, very popular this season.
What about this assortment box?
That one is very popular. It includes the green tea and the red bean flavors.
Oh, excellent.